Today we're going to make this cute and easy turkey bookmark craft.
For today's craft, you're going to need some scissors, a pencil. Here I have a popsicle stick. It is a wider stick. You can use a wider one or you can use a narrow one. It's completely up to you. I have some feathers in some different colors, and I have some paper here. I have a tiny little bit of red, a little bit of orange, brown, and I have some googly eyes. You could always make eyes if you don't have googly eyes, and some glue. So grab what you have and let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is we are going to make the head of our turkey. And to do that, I'm actually just going to use the lid of my glue as my circle. I'm going to take this brown piece of paper and I'm going to fold it in half because I want to end up with 2 circles. Now, if you don't have a glue lid, you can just make a circle. It's not a problem, and you make a circle in whatever size you would like your turkey head to be in. Once you have your circle, you are then going to cut it out. Now remember, we folded this, so you're going to end up with 2. If something doesn't work and you only end up with 1, no problem. Just trace that circle and then cut out a second one so that when you're done, you have 2 circles that are congruent, same shape, same size. Okay, now I have my circle. I'm going to take one of those, and that is going to be the front. I'm going to take my little googly eyes, and I find they're very slippery, so I'm going to glue them on right now. Otherwise, I tend to lose things while I'm doing my craft, so I'm going to put those on now. If you don't have googly eyes, you could draw eyes on right now, or you could take a white piece of paper, draw 2 little circles, cut it out, color in a little pupil in the middle, and then you have your own eyes. We're going to make a little beak. To make the beak, I'm using orange. I'm going to take my orange piece of paper and I'm going to fold it in half. I want to find the fold line. So this is the fold. I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to take my pencil, put a little dot right here, and draw a diagonal line left and a diagonal line to the right. That's going to make a little triangle, and then I'm going to cut that out. Once I'm done that, I am going to take my red piece of paper and I am going to draw a little waddle for my turkey. All I do is draw a little squiggly line here. So I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to curve around and down. So you can see it's just kind of a little curved line. Go back to the top and curve in and out again. There's no real right or wrong for this. You just kind of want to make a little squiggly. It could look like a little worm. When you're done, just cut that out. Okay, we are now ready to do some assembling here. I'm going to take my little beak. I'm going to put glue on one part of that triangle, so just on one part. I'm going to glue that down. There we go. I'm going to take my little waddle, put a little bit of glue on the tip, and glue that coming off one side of my beak. So now what I want to do is I want to take the second circle here, and that is where I am going to be gluing my feathers onto. So you want to pick whatever order you want your feathers in before you glue, just so that you know what it's going to look like. So just play around, see what you like, whether you want them in a pattern. You could put more feathers in this, fewer, it's completely up to you. You get to be creative on how many feathers and what order you want them in. And once you're happy with that, because eventually it's going to look like this, once you're happy with that, then you're going to glue them on. So if you have the stems that are a little bit too long, you can just trim those. If they aren't too long, you don't have to trim them. Everybody's feathers are going to look a little bit different. If you don't have actual feathers, you could just make paper feathers here as well. Then when you are gluing them, you want to put quite a bit of glue. So I'm using my glue stick and I want a lot of glue on there. You can actually see, hopefully you can see that, but quite a bit of glue to get those to stick. And then I'm just going to place them down. If you need to add more glue, go ahead. You can even add it to the feather if it's no longer giving you a lot of space. And when you're happy with that, you are going to take some glue and also put it on this stick. So once again, I'm putting quite a bit of glue on there. I'm putting that right down in the middle. Just going to hold it. Once it's secure, I am going to put a little bit more on top. I am going to glue the head right over top. And there you have it. What a cute craft. You could use this as a bookmark. You'd use it as a decoration, a little pointer. Be creative with your cute little turkey. If you like this craft, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.